Tesla swapping out some Cybertruck drive units. Tesla has reached out to some Cybertruck customers to replace their drive units as part of a study, as spotted in screenshots from some customers this week. The news was shared by Kyle Connor of Out of Spec Studios on X on Tuesday, along with a screenshot of his conversation with Tesla Service. The service account wrote in a message to Connor that they would replace one of your current drive units with the latest production pedigree, which is intended to improve efficiency and reliability. The news was also under discussion on the Cybertruck Owners Club forum throughout the week, as a couple of other owners saying they had received similar messages. One such user reported having an AWD dual-motor Cybertruck, while Connor has the tri-motor Cyberbeast configuration. Others in the forum noted the presence of a slight vibration in the drivetrain, but it's not clear at this time if the cases are related. Regardless, both updates are being offered free of charge, and Tesla says the motor swap is being offered to select participants to get a brand new drivetrain put in. Tesla launched voluntary recalls in late June, including an improperly adhered trunk bed trim and a windshield wiper motor issue. The automaker is still delivering its early launch unit Foundation Series Cybertrucks and ramping up production at its Gigafactory in Texas. The automaker rolls out Cybertruck improvements, both through physical fixes like these examples, and through the release of ongoing software updates. Last month, the company detailed plans to start rolling out charging improvements to the Cybertruck, set to make charging more efficient. Source: reposted and summarized from Zachary Visconti at teslarati.